What's up guys, it's me Geek. This is my Osmo Pocket, but I wanna protect it, so I use this case for the protection. I will throw the link in the description box below. As you can see, it's easily fit, but if you have a silicone case, then you cannot fit it. I mean, if you have like a without any case, you can easily fit like this. As you can see, it protects the screen. Also, there are someone who don't protect the screen. I want a screen protection also. As you can see, it's very easy to take out. Turn on. Bayanara, we are ready to go. I mean, that's simple it is. Okay, again. Bayanara, we are ready to go. After you are done, just close. It's very simple. As you can see, again, for example, I wanna shoot a quick shot. I wanna protect. Okay, time for action. Let's go. Osmo Pocket. We are ready to go. So yeah, I mean, the quality is literally amazing. I mean, yeah, it's very easy to open. It's very easy to close. As you can see. What else I can say? I'm literally very much impressed with it. So yeah, subscribe and bye.